at LCF are all taught by industry professionals, so we're all working in the industry. We can impart lots of advice on what it's like to actually go out there and do the job, not just how to do the job and how to apply makeup, it's all the other things you can't learn from watching a video online.
I studied the complete makeup artist course, which is the course I now teach on. I wanted to gain experience on working and understanding different skills to work on different skin tones, doing different types of makeup, whether it's period makeup or more fashiony editorial makeup.
You might want to take a makeup course for a variety of reasons. You might want to brush up on some skills, regain a bit of confidence. You might be considering a career change. You might want to fast track your way into the industry. There's lots of different courses on offer for all of those.
Makeup short courses are for people that genuinely want to become a professional makeup artist and really understand the versatility that you have to have. I think learning makeup and studying makeup at LCF is a completely different thing to perhaps learning on the internet or studying from makeup tutorials. I think that it's amazing that a lot of our students come to us with loads of knowledge and skills and different skill sets that they used to have, lots of makeup tutorial skill sets, but coming to LCF actually gets you to understand, to break some of those things down that you already know, and to know that actually contextualize the makeup into a professional environment. The benefits of learning from experienced makeup artists, you're not just learning from that makeup artist, you're learning from the makeup artist that we've assisted to. It's really like this culture of handing down knowledge and refining it and getting better and better and better.
I like my classroom to feel really friendly and relaxed. So for me, I think learning, you should feel comfortable to make mistakes and not too sort of scared. So we have music on. It's really rewarding seeing people grow and learn, seeing people progress into the industry and do well for themselves. That's really satisfying.